How to go live on TikTok. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to go live on TikTok, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to head into the TikTok app on my phone. Normally you will need to click right here to start a live and then click where it says live, and after that of course click go live. But if you don't have this function, then keep watching because I will show you how to fix it. So to try to fix this issue, we will need to go back to the TikTok profile and then we need to click right here and then click on settings. Now we need to scroll down almost all the way down until we see where it says report a problem, and that is exactly where we need to click. Then when you're in here, click where it says I can't start a live. And then in here we need to click where it says no. Now click where it says need more help. So in here you will need to write something like I can't access the live function on TikTok. Please fix this issue for me because it is quite an important function for my TikTok. And then when you are done, then you can click where it says report. Basically what will happen now is that a person that works for TikTok will look at what you wrote and then they will make a decision if you can have the live function or not. Hopefully though, this will fix your issue. The reason that I made this video is because I couldn't go live either on my TikTok before, but I followed the exact same process that I just showed you on this video, and then TikTok replied to me, okay, you can have the live function, because there was obviously something wrong because I couldn't go live before, but after I've reported the problem, then TikTok fixed it for me. So I think it should actually fix this for you as well, but if it doesn't fix this issue, then please comment below and I will try to help you. And also, if you got any value from this video, please let me know in the comments and leave a like on this video and also subscribe to my channel because I will be doing more of this kind of helpful videos in the future. So thank you for watching and have an awesome day.